English, please press 1. Para español, por favor, прessione 2. Для получения информации на русском языке, пожалуйста, нажмите 3. Welcome to Payoneer. For English, please press 1. Para español, por favor, pressione 2.
Welcome to Payneer's out-of-hours emergency line. Our customer care phone line is available Monday to Thursday on a 24-hour basis at midnight to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday.
For card activation, balance inquiries, and transaction history, please press 1. If your card was lost or stolen, please press 2. For any other inquiry and further information, please contact us during our business hours or visit our support center at www.payoneer.com. Thank you.
Welcome to Payneer's out-of-hours emergency line. Our customer care phone line is available Monday to Thursday on a 24-hour basis at midnight to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday.
For card activation, balance inquiries, and transaction history, please press 1. If your card was lost or stolen, please press 2. For any other inquiry and further information, please contact us during our business hours or visit our support center at www.payoneer.com. Thank you. Please hold for the next available customer care associate. This call may be recorded for quality assurance.
Thank you for calling Payoneer Emergency Line this time. How may I assist you today?
Please, I sent my Payoneer account already.
Actually, sir, I know that you're requesting for the global payment service details, but I just want to inform you that you have reached Payoneer Emergency Line, and at the moment we assist customers with lost cards, disputes, compromised cards, and hacked accounts. And for the regular phone line, you need to call us again tomorrow.
Okay, you know my others information, but I want my account verified, please.
Yes, you need to call again tomorrow. You have reached Payoneer Emergency Line.
Okay, please. I sent inbox. Please check.
Yes, call again tomorrow, sir, please. All right?
Okay, again tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yes, call again.
Okay. Okay, please check my
Alright, so
message. Please check this inbox.
sir, please do call again tomorrow, okay? We are unable to assist you at this time. You have reached Payoneer Emergency Line.
Okay, please you talk time call time emergency call center time.
Yes. The regular phone line will be available Monday, tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. And thank you for calling Payoneer. You take care.
Okay. Thank you.